Lisa Lessort is back with us on our mashup show today. The wheels came off the bus in about the first 30 seconds, didn't they?
Well, I thought it was the first 10, but we'll go with 30.
So good to see you again.
But so much fun.
Oh, we're having so much fun. And you know what? This is the Temp-tations 3-piece nesting glass storage set.
Yes.
It's the first day presented with free shipping and handling, and it's the only order of the year.
The year.
Yes. So if you're loving your storage in glass and you're also loving the patterns of Temp-tations, well, stick around because now they're together.
I love this. And so first of all, you see how you get a set of 3. So you're going to get a 12 cup, a 6 cup, and a 3 cup capacity right there. All with that beautiful old world and floral lace design that is together. When we get to the colors, I think it'll be a little bit easier to show you down there, but here's what I want to show you.
Okay.
Customer request to create glass with a pattern on it. Why? Because we can't get that airtight seal yet on stoneware, but you can get it with glass, airtight, watertight. So here's the beautiful old world and floral lace pattern that goes all the way around. I'm showing you the eggplant color right here. Has a beautiful iridescent top right there. And of course we're going to make it pretty. So it has a little flower design, pretty. But that's the release valve. So what you're going to do is when you want to take the air out, you're just going to kind of wiggle that around a little bit, hold on to your bowl, and off it comes. Now I'm going to get my mic really close here, Mary, because here's the seal. Did you hear that?
That was a whoosh.
That great whoosh is what we all love. So again, you're getting a little over a 20 cup capacity, but watch this. They all nest inside of here just like our stoneware. So it's super easy breezy.
We love glassware in the kitchen. We also love our Temp-tations. For 16 years and nearly 18 million sets of Temp-tations have already made their way out the door here at QVC. But this accompanying set is great for all of us. If you don't have any Temp-tations, this is a great place to start.
Yeah.
$33.32. We also have 2 easy payments of $16.66 and free shipping and handling. We have colors too.
Look, we have colors. They're all down in front. So I'll
let's
just
take a
walk
look.
down here
We
if you
have
don't mind.
6 colors total, so take a look.
So what we did here was we filled it with sugar so you could really see the pattern, just to be totally clear. So here's, you can see the mixing and the matching of the old world and the floral lace. This is confetti. So look how pretty that is. It has the beautiful blue top. Next door to that is going to be that bright red. So if you picked up the baker's rack, the corner rack, this would be so pretty on there.
Good idea.
Just don't drop it, but it'll be really pretty.
Well, it doesn't bounce. It's good to know. It's good to know.
Here's the cranberry. That's going to be that warmer red tone. I'm just going to tip it again so you can see that beautiful iridescent top. Then we have the black. And what I love about the choices of the black and the brown that's next door to that is that if you're buying this for the guy in your life to bring for lunch, for snacks, to the office, to the work site, those are great colors for them.
All of the pieces are dishwasher safe.
Dishwasher safe.
The lids we put in the top rack of the
top rack,
dishwasher
correct.
because we don't want to mess up that vent spot.
That's exactly
with
right.
the high heat in the bottom shelf. This also is on free shipping and handling, but that free shipping is gone at the end of the day today. Tell me you're going to the oven.
Yes, because it goes into
the
oven up to 500 degrees. So everything that you know and love about Temp-tations stoneware is going to translate into our glassware. But what I love about it is that, thank you, it's not boring glassware, right? It's just really pretty. But when you think about a 12 cup capacity, I mean, this is a nice big dessert, but did you notice? I took it out of a toaster oven.
Yeah.
So these are those smaller sizes that fit into things like your toaster oven, your microwave.
That's a sturdy size cobbler.
Don't you love this?
That is a sturdy cobbler.
Yeah, absolutely.
You know what, too? When it comes to a lot of folks I've been talking to recently have been saying that they are shifting a lot toward glass in the kitchen. This is a beautiful way to go because I see floral lace and old world incorporated in the pattern on each and every color.
That's exactly right. By the way, if you've always wanted to try a new color of Temp-tations, I know, I'm so tempted to just take a bite. Do you see I'm like actually staring at it?
I didn't see that. It didn't register until you said, this is what was happening that you couldn't see. Mary, you know what else? I love it. It's great.
It's so true. And here's what I love about a set of 3, that you can get a couple colors, mix and match, have some fun, but I can literally bring this to my table because it's pretty.
That's right.
Then if there's leftovers, I just pop the top on and I'm good to go.
This is absolutely great for every kitchen, but we have color choices that I want to make sure you see each and every single one. We have 6 colors remaining in K47929. So it is time to place your order because I don't want you to miss out on your favorites. Free shipping and handling day, first day that this is presented on free shipping. That's your confetti that you're seeing first and foremost, and it is our most limited. There is your red, always a popular choice, and surely is today. There is your cranberry. We also have black. Next is that brown?
That's the brown.
I have to tell you, that lid
it
almost looks like an amber.
I'll tip it so you can actually see, because it's not only is it iridescent, but it's so pretty because we did that little flower that literally translates back to Old World and floral lace. And then I just wanted to bring over the eggplant. Now, I apologize, the eggplant is not filled, but there's where you see that gorgeous purple color. Like, Mary, this is so much fun that I think it's a great gift to bring somebody some food in and leave it behind, a housewarming, somebody who's ill. But these are the kind of things that for my kitchen, I pick up multiple sets.
300 have now been ordered in our In the Kitchen mashup show. David Venable is here. We have lots of fun throughout this 4 hours, but we only have about 35 minutes left in the show. So if you're looking for great kitchen items on free shipping, highly encourage you to check out the full assortment on our website from Temp-tations, because not only do they have beautiful glass pieces, they have beautiful stoneware that on free shipping day,
hello.
I'd get the 21-piece
I
set.
agree.
Saying.
I mean, you know, stoneware is heavy. It's durable. Same with glass.
Right.
But think about everything from your pastas to your chocolate chips to your rices to on the go, bringing things. Ooh,
what a good idea.
Yeah, let me show you this real quickly, Mary. Like, if you really want to be matchy-matchy,
you
go get the confetti market tote that we have, right? And then you're going to the office. You want to be the girl kind of everybody talks about in a good way. Then you come in and you have your lunch like this. And you walk in and you just kind of show everybody, like, yep, I'm here. Look what I got. And check that out.
I like the way you lunch, number one.
Well, yeah, 12 cup capacity.
That's my girl. And then I love that tote. That is adorable. That's available on QVC.com.
Isn't this a great idea?
I love that idea.
Yeah.
400 have now been ordered.
Can
I go down in front and show everybody the colors one more time as we wrap up? Okay. This is, by the way, this is me hustling. It's not fast. This is confetti. 150 remaining.
Wow.
Red, cranberry, black, brown, and then up top above the brown is that beautiful purple. $33.32 for all three, and we have free shipping and handling and 2 easy payments of $16.66. Lisa Lessort, I adore you.
So nice to see you, Mary.
So
What
nice
a
to see
fun
you too.
show, really. What a fun show.
Ilana is our coordinating producer for this show, and
Superwoman.
she rocked it. She made the open, she coordinated, I mean, just absolutely rocked this show. So, yeah, big thanks go to her. And big thanks go to this guy for being here on a Saturday. Thanks so much, David.
This is a lot of fun. Thank you for having me. We are excited now to talk about one of my most favorite brands, Le Creuset. And when you talk about this particular piece, you look at this and say, well, I've seen these pieces before.